In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your inventory with QuickBooks and Intuit's user-friendly platform. We will walk through each step, ensuring you know exactly how to optimize your inventory management system. So let's get started. First, go ahead and navigate to QuickBooks and log into your account. You'll find it easiest to begin here because it serves as our hub for everything we're going to accomplish today. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel and click on Apps. This section will open up a world of possibilities for integrating different applications with your QuickBooks account. Now, you'll notice I've already connected my Shopify store to track my current inventory. Doing so ensures all my sales and stock levels are synchronized seamlessly. If you're using Shopify or a similar platform, consider doing this first as it provides a comprehensive view of your inventory across different channels. To explore more inventory apps, click on Find Apps. This brings us to a category-rich environment designed to extend the functionality of QuickBooks with specialized inventory management solutions. The inventory management section contains a variety of apps crafted to cater to your specific needs, whether that's restocking, tracking, or overall management. Spend a moment to peruse them and see which might fit your business model best. Select an inventory management app that catches your eye and click on it. This app will require a connection to your QuickBooks account, so click on Get App Now. Be prepared to enter your credentials, establishing a secure link between the two platforms. Once that's set up, head over to Sales, followed by Products and Services. This area is crucial as it displays all the items you're currently managing. It acts like a dashboard where you can access every detail pertaining to your products. If you're ready to broaden your inventory, click New and select Inventory Item. Begin by naming your product, a simple but vital step. Optionally, you can add an image and organize it into a category, which keeps things tidy. Under Inventory Info, input the quantity available. Setting a reorder point is a proactive approach to ensure you never run out of stock. Equally important, set up your inventory asset account. Include a sales description, which aids in keeping everything documented clearly. When determining your item's pricing, consider entering both the sales rate and the purchasing cost. It's important to fill out fields like income account, sales tax, and if applicable, your expense account and purchase tax. All this data contributes to the seamless flow of your financial records. Finally, add your preferred supplier to streamline reorder logistics. Once satisfied, click Save and Close. Remember, this feature ensures your inventory within QuickBooks reflects real-time products and services, making it easy to track and manage at any given moment. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to harness the power of QuickBooks for efficient inventory management. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.